In testing conditions, we know that the double equals symbol with no space in between is used to test equality. So let's import random, then let's make the num left equals random.randint parentheses 1 to 3. Then let's copy that right up, paste it here. Instead of the left, make it right. Let's print num left is equals to num right is num left equals num right. Let's run it. 3 is equal to 1, it is false. 3 is equal to 2 is false. 1 is equal to 2 is false. 2 is equal to 3, it's false. 3 is equal to 2, it's false. False, false, false. 3 is equal to 3 is true. We use the greater than symbol to test if the number on the left is greater than the one on the right. So let's put greater than, then let's put greater than. 2 is greater than 2 is false. 2 is greater than 3 is false. 1 is greater than 2 is false. 3 is greater than 1 is true. We use the less than symbol to test if the number on the left is less than the number on the right. So let's put a less than here. Then let's run it. 2 is less than 2 is false. 3 is less than 2 is false. 3 is less than 1 is false. 1 is less than 1 is false. 3 is less than 1. 3 is less than 3. 3 is less than 2 is false. False. True. So now we have seen the equals symbol, which is used to test if the number on the left is the same as the number on the right. This is the opposite of exclamation point equals. So let's put exclamation equals, then exclamation point equals. Let's run it. 2 is not equal to 1 is true. 2 is not equal to 2 it is false. 1 is not equal to 2 is true. We use greater than or equal to test if the number on the left is greater than or equal to the number on the right. Let's put greater than equals. 2 is greater than or equal to 2 is true. 3 is greater than or equal to 1 is true. 2 is greater than or equal to 2 is true. Finally, we use the less than or equal to test if the number on the left is less than or equal to the number on the right. So let's make this greater than, less than, then less than. Let's run it. 1 is less than or equal to 3 is true. 2 is less than or equal to 3 is true. 2 is less than or equal to 3 is true.